C2, Geometric Sequences, Example 6. So here we have a geometric sequence, 3, 6, 12, 24. And we're asked to find the 12th term to start off with. So for part A, well, we know that the first term is 3, and we are times in by 2 each time. So we know that our ratio is 2. So using un equals a r to the n minus 1, we know that u12 will be equal to a, which is 3, times r, which is 2 to the power of 11, because that's n minus 1, which gives us 3 times 2048 So we end up with U12 equals 6,144. So for part B now, we're asked to find the sum of the first 20 terms. So this time we're using S of n equals A times 1 minus r to the power of n all over 1 minus r. So again, just plugging in the values, S of 20 will be equal to 3 times 1 minus 2 to the power of 20 all over 1 minus 2. So putting all that into your calculator gets you 314,575. So that is the sum of the first 20 terms. And now for part C, we're asked to find the least number of terms so that the sum exceeds 10 to the power of 6. So we're using Sn equals A times 1 minus r to the power of n all over 1 minus r. So again, putting in the values, that's 3 lots of 1 minus 2 to the power of n all over 1 minus 2. So we're looking for where that just becomes larger than 10 to the power of 6. So I'm going to look for where it becomes equal to 10 to the power of 6 and round up. So that would give me 3, 1 minus 2 to the power of n. And of course, here we end up with minus 1 on the bottom. So I'm going to take the minus 1 to the other side. Equals minus 10 to the power of 6. Divide through by 3 gives me 1 minus 2 to the power of n equals minus 10 to the power of 6 over 3. And then move my 1 over. So that would give me swap sides so that the 2 to the power of n is positive. So that's 2 to the power of n would equal 1 plus 10 to the power of 6 over 3. So, of course, here we need to take logs. So now, n will be found by doing log of base 2, because that's the base that we have here, of 1 plus 10 to the power of 6 over 3. So if we put that into our calculator, we come out with 18.3466104. So of course, as I said, I'm going to end up rounding up because that is when it becomes equal to 10 to the power of 6, but we can't have a decimal term. We can only have full number terms. If we take n equals 18, that's still going to be smaller than 10 to the power of 6. So therefore, the minimum n is equal to 19.